welcome back. Tell you what, another crazy week for me. So we're back out here on the gas grill. We're going to do some more smoking, a little bit of smoking on some baby back ribs. I got about a 3.4 pound rack of baby backs here, and we're just going to season them up, some basic rub, and get them on the grill and get a little smoke on them. I might be about an hour and a half to 2 hour cook on this if I do it right. So let's get going, guys. As you've seen, I did take the membrane off already, and I got this little piece here. I'm just going to trim this little piece off here. I might throw it on there and use it as a snack here in a bit. I probably will. I don't know, that's awful small. We'll see. Flip this over. Don't really need to do anything else to it. I'm not one of these that gets a perfect squaring off. I'm just going to season it and get her on there. Okay, I just got some yellow mustard, used as a binder. I'm not going to put a lot on here. I thought about not using a binder at all, but what the heck. Okay, for a rub, this is just something I've had on hand here and kind of need to use it up. This is the rib rack, the original barbecue rub. Use this many times, I do like it, but I kind of need to use it up. Make room for other stuff. Don't forget your ends and your sides. Flip the other side. Alright guys, when this comes up to temp, we're gonna get this on the grill. Alright guys, I apologize for the air conditioner noise, but it is a warm one and I'm not gonna turn it off. Alright guys, I'm gonna go and meat side down. I'm gonna sit this probably about as center as I can. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but I hope it doesn't take more than an hour or an hour and a half. So I've got the smoke just now starting to roll over here, and we'll come back, we'll check it back here in a little bit. I will be flipping this periodically. This is not a low and slow by any stretch, so alright. Guys, let's take that first look. We definitely got some smoke rolling. Been on about 20 minutes. I'm just going to turn these around 180 degrees. Oops. Put that back up, yeah. Gonna drop it. I'm going to flip these over anyway, so let's just do it here. There. I'm going to go ahead and give these a spray. This is just water, guys. Everything looks good. We've been running about perfect. I was shooting for a 350 degree cook, and that's about what I got. Spray it down a little bit and we'll come back and check in a little bit. Alright guys, look at there. Things looking really good. I'm checking for I don't want to check the temperature, but more checking for tenderness than anything. Things really good. We've been on here about an hour. About 164 there. Boosted out the bone. 170. I'm going to get this wrapped up in some foil. See if I can't get this tendered up. Yes, that is a word in Kentucky. And go ahead and pull these off of here and get them in some foil. I'm going to spray this with a little bit more water in here just to generate a little steam action. Don't need a whole lot. See, we're already getting some pull back here. We've only been on an hour. We cooked this for about an hour at about right at 350 degrees. We're going to take these up to probably around 195, 200 degrees. Let's get these back on the grill. Better keep going. Guys, we're nearly an hour and a half in, about a half hour in the foil, and I'm really just checking for tenderness, even though I'm going to check the temp. Yeah, we're 200, guys. 202 there. We're definitely there. It feels pretty tender. I'm going to get this off of here. All right, let's see if I can do this. I don't know where this is going to go. Wish me luck. I know I have subscribers that love to see me get injured. Sit this down here. Alright, there we go. Alright, back on top. We'll be back in just a few minutes and we'll glaze this off. As soon as I decide what glaze I'm using. I probably made a decision. I'm going with my, there ain't a whole lot left in here, so I'm going to use it up. This is that G. Hughes, the sugar-free sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. Let's get this on here. I'll probably do this a couple times and let it set. Well, come on. There we go. Alright, guys. I love everything I see about this cook so far. It's not a low and slow, but with my craziness in my life right now, we're just not doing some low and slows at the moment. So hope you enjoyed this cook. I cooked on this grill a lot. Obviously don't film a lot on it, but once in a while it does really good cooks. I slowed this one down a little bit though. Alright guys, next time you see me, we'll cut this up inside and give her a taste. Look at there, guys. Obviously there's no smoke ring and wasn't on smoke long enough for anything like that, but got plenty of juicy in there. We hit temperature. I'm hoping it's pretty tender. It feels tender. So alright guys, let me get my family fed. We'll come back and I'll give you a taste test of that. We'll do my normal test here. Pulls off the bone pretty good. For an hour and a half cook, that was actually pretty good. Nailed the flavor. There's a little bit of that wood. I don't know if I told you, I used the Jack Daniel's oak wood, the Jack Daniel's barrel. I got a little hint there. Very good, guys. Pulls off the bone. I typically don't try to get it to fall off the bone. One more bite. That is delicious. That was only on the grill for, was on the smoke for almost an hour, right at an hour. And then I wrapped it for about 30 minutes and pulled it, let everything reset and glazed it. Maybe an hour, 35 minutes or so. So for that, it's delicious. Guys, thank you so much. Been a little hectic here lately. So you might see some of these faster cooks or different type of cooks for here for a little bit. Hopefully I'll be back on the charcoal real soon. So guys, thank you as always. Until next time guys, God bless ya. Bye.